Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You already have basic web tooling. Now start integrating ML. First, pick an approach. Run models in the browser for low-latency UI or on the server for heavier compute. Install TensorFlow, JS or ONG's runtime, and scaffold a simple endpoint. Once done, prepare a small dataset or mock inputs to validate inference flow. Make sure to version your model artifacts and add environment variables for keys. This prevents accidental leaks as you move from prototype to production. You now wire the pipeline. Validate and normalize incoming data to match training conditions because mismatch scales break predictions. Load your model asynchronously and warm it up with a sample inference to avoid first request latency spikes. Once loaded, implement batching or queuing on the server for throughput, or use request idle callback / client caching for browser inference. Also instrument timing and errors so you can measure accuracy and performance. This helps identify drift and tune thresholds without guessing. You're finishing. Deploy the model artifact and integrate monitoring so you track latency, confidence, and error rates in production. Then optimize by quantizing or pruning for faster inference and deliver client code via CDN to reduce load. Make sure to implement graceful degradation. If the model fails, fall back to a heuristic or cached result to preserve user experience. If things go wrong, check input normalization and model version mismatch first. Those are the most common causes of sudden accuracy drops.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.